In front of me is REDBEAT E3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finish, choose OK and adjust all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can name your alarm and save its name by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week, and to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm and pick a date. Then choose OK to save it, or remove button right next to it to get rid of it. Following that, use this little bell. Download one of those sound platforms or hit dismiss. If you want to use music from those platforms, click on the chosen one here and log in. If you don't, select sounds and either hit add new under your sounds to pick any song from your device, or just select one of those. Now click on those icons next to vibrate and Google Assistant routine to enable or disable haptic feedback, or add or remove your alarm from your routine. If you want to hide all of those settings, click at the top right corner. If you want to switch off or on your alarm, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click at the top right corner and change whatever you want to. And to delete your alarm, use this bean at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!